Hey, it's Mega Jake 2012, and I woke up I woke up this morning to this. Yes, a major windstorm has just hit Illinois. No, it is not a tornado. Just a windstorm. So I'm gonna go check on our carved pumpkins. By the front door. I'm pretty sure one of them fell. Oh. So yeah. I mean, trash cans are down. Garbage is everywhere. I mean, containers are out of bags. Oh yeah, I did the garbage. I mean, this is just like everywhere. I bet it's like all across Illinois or something. So yeah. The weather said the wind gusts are supposed to get up to 50 miles per hour. There's like beer cans on the floor, tubes. Wow. And this is just my neighbor's house. And look, there's like washing. There's tide. I mean, just it's everywhere. So yeah. Oh yeah, so that's my Illinois. Later. Oh yeah, and here's some look at the clouds. Big, dark, scary clouds. Later.